Okay, Friday, March 6th. This will probably be my second to last video. This is just the finishing up now on the apartment, and we're moving next week. So I'll probably do one more video before we move in when everything is done. I just want to show you where we're at now. Right now we're putting in the kitchen backsplash. The countertops have been delivered. They're under the plastic, but I think you can still see how stunning they are. This blue Azure. And this is quartz, so yeah, you can see it's gonna really and then I got this backsplash tile. This is like a matte glass I got off of Wayfair, and believe me, when you buy this kind of tile, buy 20-25% extra, not 10%. I thought I was gonna have one box to send back. I didn't, and some of these tiles were actually broken. You know, they were cracked and not clean sheets. So, we lucked out. We got it. We got this done. Now, I'll tell you this: getting this over the finish line has been hard with the labor. So the tile guy I was supposed to have that did the floors, I didn't use him. This guy Jimmy, because he's a bit older and he moves a bit slow, and I needed this done on time. And then the second guy who actually did the grouting and who I thought was pretty good, he was a young Guatemalan guy. He got booked up with some other projects, couldn't show up. So I saw a Class A building company out here in the parking lot working on a neighbor's apartment. I asked them if they do tiles, and I said yes, they did. And they actually called me. The guy took my number and gave it to his boss, and his boss called me up, and we made a deal. Now I was supposed to get all this done for like $650. I ended up paying $900, but I had two guys. And they finished all this in 5 hours, and they'll come back Saturday to do the grouting and, do the outlets, do the power outlets so they look nice. So they'll come back Saturday morning, and finish up here, and then this will be done. The kitchen will be all finished and looking good. So and then the plumber, now the plumber you see got backs. Pushed back because we got to get this done before we can put in the dishwasher and put in the I have the sink fixture, and I already got a sofa in. You'll see that when we unveil, and you can see I'm unpacking now the pictures, and I'm going to hang pictures on the wall here. So yeah, and then everything is getting moving, but yeah, things are a bit set back. So in total, this project, if we move March 10th, this project would have taken 4 months and 1 week. I started November 3rd and then move in March 10th, so 4 months and a week. A little bit longer than what I would have liked. I've already assembled the bed in one of the bedrooms. We have a full-size washer here, and we'll use a drying rack, Ukrainian style, just air dry our clothes. The drying machines actually can rip up your clothes. I noticed that, like, they get really hot and then the fabric falls apart and you burn through your clothes quicker. So, yeah, we don't really have proper venting for a dryer in these all-in-one machines. They're still early. These all-in-one, like the GE all-in-one, L&G makes an all-in-one machine. Those are a bit, they need a lot of maintenance. They need to be cleaned a lot. I think serviceman has to come over quite a bit. Now Saturday, a cable guy is coming over to check all this cable connection, get the internet hooked up here. We actually never had wired internet in this apartment. We always use like the wireless internet. But yeah, that's gonna or we borrow off a neighbor, but that neighbor moved. So yeah, this is the bathroom again. So yeah, I gotta put another hotel style towel bar with you can put towels there, and then you can hang towels. It's very versatile. Put up the shower curtain. I'm still working on cleaning. You see these little rags. You can see it's a work in progress. So, yeah, here we are. Yeah, it's just going to do some small work today, and then tomorrow's a big day. And then Monday morning, plumber will come. And I think that's when I'll do the last video on Monday when the plumber shows up and show you that everything is working, do a walkthrough and call it done, hopefully, hopefully, and then we start moving on Tuesday, moving back in here. So anyway, I hope you all have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.